kitchen. Today we're going to make peanut butter banana cookies. Now if you follow me on Instagram, @AaronsBakery, you'll know that I've tried these before, but they were terrible, so we're going to make them again. So we got some brown sugar in a bowl. Take your banana, grab a fork and give it a mash. Get a 1/4 cup of it ready. Cream it around with your spatula and the sugar. Banana's actually taking the place of butter in this recipe, so we'll pretend it's healthy. Once you've got a nice appetizing puke, take a bunch of crunchy peanut butter and put that in. If you prefer smooth peanut butter, you're wrong. A little bit of vanilla. Grab an egg and crack it into a separate bowl. Give it a little whisk around and take 2 tablespoons, which is half an egg. Just a little bit more. Save that for tomorrow's breakfast. Cream it around some more until you're nice and together. Now it's time for the dry. Flour, baking powder, soda, 1, salt, fork, mix them. Save that for later. Put the dry in the wet. Mix them around until mix them around until you've got cookie dough. There, done. Get a baking sheet, parchment paper, and a spoon. Using the spoon and your hands, you're going to make a bunch of balls like 3, like that big. I don't know. Wait, we forgot to taste it. That's really good. I also forgot the banana. Now these are banana chips. You get them wherever. Like a metric handful of them. So good. Okay. Using your spoon and your hand, you're going to make little balls on your sheet of paper here. May have to work around some banana chips. That might be too many. It's actually so good. Want to make sure that they're nice and spread out so that when they spread out more, they'll be nice and spread out to spread out. Yeah? Now we all want that nice classic peanut butter cookie look. So get yourself the fork you saved and some flour. And we're going to do a little dip and swoosh. Yeah, it didn't really work. Never mind! Put these in the fridge just to firm up a little bit while you preheat the oven to 350. I love watermelon. Just pop these bad boys in the oven until they're done. They ended up taking about 12 minutes. Put them on a hot plate. They also didn't flatten out very much, so we're going to make sure the second tray has some flatter cookies on it. Into the oven!
And they grew up to be much more cookie-y than these other things.
Once you let them chill out on a rack for a little bit, but just a little bit because we still want to eat a warm cookie. Time for tasting. Okay. I like it. I love peanut butter banana. It's a bit bready, missing the butter, but you know what? I'll eat them anyway. Make sure to subscribe. I'll see you next week where we're going to make something else that I don't know